Hello and welcome back. This is Fuzzee D Tutorials and my name is Dave. So today's quick tip, I'm going to show you how to take a video sequence and make it your profile in Facebook. Now you can't do this from the computer, so we're doing this on my iPhone, and I believe you can do it with any smartphone. So we're going to load up Facebook, and then we're going to load up our timeline. And then we're going to tap on the little camera icon on our profile picture. And we're going to select profile picture or video. And then I'm going to click on the video I'm going to use for this. Now just a little note, you can only use 7 seconds. Now in my case I've already edited down to less than that, but we'll go into the edit tab. Howdy folks. So in your trim mode you can just drag the little bar on the end to adjust the length of the video from either end. And if you need to do any cropping or positioning or resizing or anything, you go into crop. And then we can choose a frame within the video that we want to use as the picture. For when it doesn't animate, when it's really small, sometimes it doesn't animate, or on some people's systems it doesn't animate, so we'll pick something to use as our actual kind of thumbnail for it, and then we'll tap on done, and then we'll tap on use. It'll take a few moments to process. And as you can see, we've got an animated profile. Now most people, even with their computers, they should be able to see this, except when it's in a really small size. If you found this tip useful, please click that like button. If you want to see more tutorials, make sure to subscribe, and make sure you click that notification bell so you don't miss a thing. Thanks for hanging out, and we'll see you next time.